Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, let's make one of the most popular Puerto Rican limbers known as limber de crema. Let's get into it. Alright, jumping right into the recipe. So I'm going to start by adding 1 can of evaporated milk. And just an FYI, I do have a limber playlist on my channel, and that is going to be an ongoing playlist. I'll be updating it regularly as time goes on in my channel, so be sure to check out the other limber recipes that I have on there so far. And then after that, I'm going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. And if you don't know what limber de crema tastes like, it tastes like vanilla ice cream. It's really, really good. Make sure I get everything. All right, and then using that can of evaporated milk, I'm going to fill it to the top with fresh milk. You can use any milk you want. I am using 1%, but 2% whole milk, etc. will work just fine. Then I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. And I'm going to add a little pinch of salt. This is about half a teaspoon. And 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. And making limbers is like super easy because everything just goes in one bowl. You mix it and that's it. You don't need a blender or anything like that. And then I did add about half a teaspoon of cinnamon, but you can add to your liking. You can also leave it out if you don't want it at all. And I know that there are other recipes that'll add like a little pinch of ground clove spice or a little bit of nutmeg, so you can play around with the sweet spices if you like. Give it a good mix. Make sure everything is nice and well combined. Go in for a little taste test with a clean spoon just to make sure that the sweetness is just right. And it was. All right, now it is time to fill up the cups with the limber mixture. And I am using the little mini cups. However, you can use the ones that are a little bigger. I can't remember off the top of my head the ounce size, but I like the size because I find it to be perfect. You know, if you want something that's cold and sweet but is just enough, not too much, this is the perfect size. And then I'm gonna lightly cover my limbers with some plastic wrap and place them carefully in the freezer to freeze overnight. And that is all for today's video. So I definitely enjoyed this limber. It is currently super hot where I'm at, so this was the perfect cold treat. And as always, if you are new here, welcome. My name is Mari. I make Puerto Rican cooking tutorials. If you have not already, please subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up to show me that you care, and be sure to hit that notification bell. And I'll see you guys next time.